Hi, in this video we will see how to go from a CSV file containing Premier League matches for last month to a chart showing goals by team, by home and away, and attendance by team, sorted by attendance on the last month. And the first thing I did was to go to this website where I can select a month and a season, and I can get the results and I can export them to CSV. I already downloaded them. So now I will start again, and you go to the Instadeq application. You can either log in or just click try now if you don't have an account already. Select the CSV file cell, drop the file here or click it to select it. In my case it's fixtures result, and we can see we have many columns. We care about home team, away team, H score, A score, and attendance. Let's start with attendance, which is the simplest one. So we will do an aggregation of attendance. We want all the stats just to see what we get, and home team. And we can see that if we sort by attendance sum, Manchester United was the first and Arsenal the second. If we sort by average, also again Manchester City and Arsenal, and the max Manchester, and the second is Tottenham Hotspur. So now we can do a chart. Already some interesting observations there, and they will be clear when we do a chart. We can chart attendance sum by home team, and we get this chart. We can change the color to a solid color, this blue, and we can sort by attendance reversed. So we have the biggest team first, so we get Manchester United. We can collapse this aggregation, and now we want to have in a table all the scores from a team when they were home and away, and in this case they are in different columns. So what we have to do first is what's called a concatenate, which is more than one query with the same structure. So first we are going to drag home team and H score, so the scores when they were home. But we also want the cases where the team was away, so away team, and the score when they were away. And now that we can see that they are collapsing into only two columns. So now we have just score here and team here. We want to also keep track of the type of match. So the first query is for home goals. So we add a calculated field called type, and we give the value home. And in the second query, we give the value away. And we add it to the type to the query. We add the type to the query, and we just sort the query. So team is first. So Liverpool did scored 4 goals in this match, and it was home, and so on. So now we can do an aggregation with that. We want to aggregate score. We want the sum. All the statistics are interesting, but we can just go with those by type and team. So now we have home Liverpool, 35 goals, and now we can chart that. We can create a chart, and we do score sum by type and team. We select the stack bar chart, and we can sort it by score sum. And we can see that for example, Chelsea did more away goals than home goals, maybe because they played more matches away. We should do a chart of matches by team, by home and away, and count and see how many. Maybe the January was an away season for Chelsea, but we can see that Manchester City was the team that did the most goals, and the team that did the most away goals. So this is how you go from a CSV file to analyzing. Even on the tables you can get some information and some insights, but getting charts for goals home and away by team, and attendance by team home and away. If you have any questions, you can contact us on our website or on social media. Bye.